For my project, I use JavaScript and HTML to directly put my quiz or program on my website. So you go through these slides, and once you read the slides, you come down here and answer the questions. And then once you click submit, it tells you how many you got correct out of the 3. So in order to, let's start with the slides. I put this on here by first creating a slide and then going on Google Slides and then going down to publish to web, embed, and then copying and pasting this code on my programs and algorithms tab, and here it is. And so what that does is it allows you to go through the slides directly on the website. And then for the quiz, I used a form. And in the form I put my questions. So this one is the fill in the blank, which uses the box for the answers, and then this is one of the multiple choice questions, and here's that input type, so multiple choice, and then these are the values that we're going to use later to compare which one you chose to the correct one. And finally, I have a submit button with an event listener. So the event listener, after you click the submit button, it says do this function, which is in this file over here with the JavaScript. And so I created this file and then linked it to this one right here. And so once you click submit, it's going to do this function, which is going to use these variables to get your answer. So it's going to go to this document, and then it's going to go to quiz, question 2, and then grab the value. It's going to grab the value of the option that you chose. So if you chose information, it's going to take this value right here and compare it to this value, which is the correct value. So for question 2, it's going to compare the value you chose to the correct one. And then if you get it correct, it's going to give you 1 point. So it uses these variables to grab the value that you chose, and then it's going to use this control structure to compare it to the correct value and then give you a point depending on whether you got it right or not. So once you answer all the questions, it's going to use get element by ID, which is a method, and then the parameter, which is the ID of the element that we want to change. And so right here, it's going to change the enter HTML of this element from being blank to saying you got and then the number of questions you got correct.